can you explain what eligibility is?
I think it differs to certain state boards of nursing. So I'll give the privilege to Jean to answer that.
Okay, go ahead.
Yeah, when she says she's waiting for her eligibility, she's saying it means that she is waiting for her approval. So, like in New York Board of Nursing, the process is like you submit the license to New York Board, and then you submit your education to New York Board of Nursing. Then, from the time that they receive that one, the nurse unit will forward your documents to comparative department. So in comparative department, there's a lot of professions that they are reviewing. So it will take like 6 to 8 months for the comparative department to review your education. Once it is reviewed, you will get an email from New York board saying, congratulations, your education has been approved. You can now pay Pearson View, blah, 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 something like that. So that's the email that they are seeing that they are waiting for their eligibility. It means that they are waiting for their approval to take for the NCLEX.
Okay, so we can put up the graphic which shows the process that nurses, Jean's just gone through that process, but Michelle, just walk us through, just give us a quick summary of those 3 steps.
So basically, guys, you need to have your documents evaluated. So in this evaluation, they are going to check whether it's comparable to the education there in the USA. And then after that, then it goes to the application process. So the application process and the time frame of that, and as well as the expenses varies depending on which board of nursing we're going to submit your application, and as well as the validity of your application, because there are boards of nursing wherein the validity of the application is just 1 year, and there are boards wherein it's valid for life. So once that you are already approved for these steps, then we can already go to the step 3, which is the examination, wherein you are going to choose when you will sit or when you will want to sit for the NCLEX in any Pearson View testing center. So it's actually your decision. If you are already approved for the certain for the application, then it's your decision as to when you want to sit for the NCLEX.
Okay, and just to go back to our explanation about the ATT, it will only be once you've got that number, correct? That you can then schedule your exam.
Yes, definitely.
Okay.